You'll see these warning lights after a battery change, and I'll show you how to fix them with a full step-by-step battery replacement, including info on the battery size and what else to do after installation. Loosen the negative terminal first, which is the smaller of the two terminals, and then the positive. And that's because, well, it's all explained in this video link on the screen. Next, you'll be looking for a bolt down here at the base of the battery to remove the hold down bracket. Then to remove the battery, just push it forward first. There's a retaining lip at the back holding the battery in place. We're replacing it with the same size and type, but I'll share some info on the size a bit later. For now, position the battery by sliding it under the retaining lip and fit the insulating jacket and the bracket. The insulating jacket might be too small, but it can still wrap around and assist with excessive temperatures on the battery. If you find these videos helpful, please consider subscribing. It's free and as simple as tapping the button below the video. A lot of effort goes into making these videos, so help us get these numbers up. Then connect the terminals, starting with the positive first. It's good practice to push the terminal down on the battery post as low as possible by extending the clamp with a flat screwdriver. Careful not to over-tighten the terminal nuts to prevent them from stripping. A tight connection is important, so the terminal shouldn't be able to move around by hand. You'll definitely need an enhanced flooded battery as a minimum, but AGM would be best if budget allows. We also find that the 70 amp hour works best on diesel engines due to the higher cranking amps instead of the 60 amp hour. On startup, you'll see all kinds of warnings related to the stability control. So set the steering angle sensor by turning the steering wheel full lock left and full lock right. A radio code isn't necessary, but you might need to set the one-touch windows. Press and hold the button all the way down and hold it down for about 3 seconds after it's fully open. Then do the same for closing and repeat for each one touch window.